Hey everyone, it's Ashley, and in this video I'm going to be showing you how to create a nail art design perfect for St. Patrick's Day. Start off with a base coat. Apply 2 to 3 coats of a green polish on your pinky and pointer finger and white on the rest of your nails. Put polish on a plastic lid or other palette, then dip a bobby pin or dotting tool into the polish and create a diagonal line using dots. Repeat this process by taking the dotting tool and making dots in between those dots but slightly above and below the line. This will make your pattern look even. I chose to use 3 colors for this dot cure. I chose gold, dark green, and light green, but you can use whichever colors you like. Whenever I am changing colors, I am wiping off my dotting tool on this paper towel. Next is the Clover design. I'm creating 4 pairs of dots in a circle type pattern. Next, I'm taking a small brush and I am making 4 heart shapes by connecting the 2 dots together. Then I will connect all 4 heart shapes in the middle. Then add a little line for the stem. If you make any mistakes, you can always go back in with your base color. Lastly, apply a top coat and clean up around the nails using a small brush and nail polish remover. I really hope you enjoyed this video. If you would like to see more nail art, please subscribe down below. If you have any nail art requests, please let me know in the comments, and I hope to see you in my future videos. Thank you so much, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye!